Okay guys, what is up? And this is kind of a change of plans. So, I actually had to get a new case because my dad's case didn't work. Well, it kind of worked, but it didn't have enough fans. It only had 2 fans, and it didn't come with any fans, and the fans were 2 different sizes. So I ended up just picking this Zalman case up. If you don't know Zalman, they're a really good brand. They make coolers and stuff like that. So, yeah. I suggest this case. It's just on Amazon. Dude, it is a really nice case. It comes with 4 fans. RGB. I don't really care about RGB, but like it was the cheapest I could really find. And it is amazing, dude. This is legit tempered glass right here. It's magnetic, so you just pull it from the handle right here. And then, I'm not going to do it because it's kind of tedious to put it back on, but you just lift it up and the door just comes off. So that's really nice. And then also, cable management back there, you take the back panel off. I've already put my power supply in, the Corsair CX430. If you want a power supply, I would recommend like that if you don't want a super expensive one. But if you're getting a graphics card, you probably want like 500 watts. This is 430 watts. You probably want like 500 watts. And then, yeah, it's just a really nice case for $70. So if you're a beginner getting a new case, I definitely recommend it. Let me go get the parts for this PC. Okay, so I don't have the motherboard yet. It's coming in a couple days. Got the RAM. I got 32 gigs of DDR4 Ripjaw G-Skill. Always go for Samsung with storage, but I didn't really have enough money, so I went with the Crucial P3 Plus, and I recommend the P3 Plus because it's faster. It's just better overall. It's 1 terabyte. Usually, if you're building PC for beginners, you always want like a terabyte. And then I got an AMD Ryzen 5. I'm not getting a graphics card. I'm using onboard graphics with the CPU, and we've concluded that it's actually really good. So yeah. And then hold on, give me a second. Okay, sorry, I had to check something. Okay, so yeah. And if you're wondering what this case is, it's a Zalman i3 Neo Black Edition. I went with the Black Edition. You can't actually get it on the website. You have to get it on Amazon. It's actually $80 full price. I paid $75 for it. It was $70 and it went up. But you'll probably get it for like $80 now. This showed up yesterday, and so did this, and so did the RAM. So did the CPU and the RAM and the case. The the storage showed up today, and then tomorrow or the next day, my ASRock, or ASRock, whatever you want to call it, motherboard will be here, and then will be like at my house, and then I don't know, I want to build it, but I don't know when I'm gonna actually like start building it. The only thing is with the RGB fans, you can't adjust the RGB on them, which I don't care actually at all about. That's the whole reason I think it was kind of cheap, is because the fans, you can't change the RGB. They're just rainbow. They change colors. So I'm sure you could probably find a way to make it, or you could change them, or you can just switch the fans out. You can, the front and the back, you actually can put bigger fans on it. You can see like there's a gap, like more space. These are 120 millimeters, so you can put bigger fans up here. This pops off, and then this you can put back there. You just unscrew them. I don't know how I'm gonna cable manage this. We're gonna find a way though. I'm gonna find a way to cable manage these, all these cables and everything. But yeah, it has a dust cover on the top, magnetic. You can add more fans at the top. Hello, I don't know if you can see me through here. It stopped recording for some reason. I'll have to put those together. I got the desk covers on the USB. You know, since I don't have a graphics card, I'll be using the motherboard and things right here. And then, yeah, it's just an overall good case. I love it so far. I don't know how it's going to be when it's on, but yeah, I'm going to hook up all the... But the good thing about my ASRock, it's a B550 Pro 4, B550M Pro 4, something. Mini ATX, I think. I don't know. I have no clue. Hold up. I'll look and I'll tell you the name. It's an ASRock B550M Pro 4, so I got it right. It's good for me because it doesn't have Wi-Fi. You have to use Ethernet. It's good for me because it has a lot of USB plugs back here. I use a lot of USB just because of keyboard and mouse. Because I have a Razer Black Widow Elite and it has to use two things. We don't actually have to use the two one because it has a USB for the second one, and then also it has aux for that, so I'm gonna plug my aux in back here. But yeah, that'll be good. And then you know, extra USB ports just for anything. I just use a lot of USB. I need USB. And then it also has USB-C. It's got VGA and it's got what do you call it? DisplayPort. It has a DisplayPort. So it has HDMI and DisplayPort. So I'll probably be hooking up 2 monitors whenever I get to, but that'll be way in the future. And once I get us all built and I start using it and stuff, I'm going to start saving up for a graphics card. I'll probably get the AMD 6600. I think it's a pretty good graphics card. So yeah, that's just to catch y'all up. I'll see y'all.